Hey everybody, it's Michael Pedone with salesbuzz.com. And today I want to talk about when you're making a sales call and right out of the gate, the prospect says something like, oh, right now is not a good time. I'm in a meeting. Now, from a salesperson who's been selling as a straight commission inside sales rep for more years than I want to admit to, over 25 years, I don't know when you hear that, but for me, I almost want to say like, yeah, right, sure. If you're in a meeting, why'd you pick up the phone, right? We know it's a blow off, right? When we're on the other side of that phone and we get that kind of response, even if they technically were, I mean, sometimes sure, there might be actually, but the 99.9% of the time we're like, why'd you pick up the phone? They recognize it might be a sales call. They don't want to have a conversation with us. And the biggest problem that a lot of salespeople will make is they'll automatically default to, well, when would be a better time? And they try to set that appointment up. And even if the person say, yeah, give me a call, the next day or whatever, the no-show rate is extremely high, correct? Your best chances of moving the sale to that next step, wherever that next step is, based on your previous, or if you had no conversations or whether you had a previous conversation with them, your best chance to move that to that next step is on the phone call that you're at right now. So you have to be prepared. You can't be caught off guard if you get that response. It's going to happen. We hope it doesn't happen often, but when it does, you need to know what play you need to run. So I have a clip here I'm going to play. This was, I'll set the backdrop. This was a warm lead, right? I consider it a warm lead because they contacted us through the website. They're asking some information. It sent it to them automatically. Now I want to contact them. Now, notice I didn't call it a first, or notice I didn't call it a follow-up call, right? I'm technically not following up because I haven't spoke with them yet. So to me, from my sales perspective and my mindset and my objective, I'm making a first-time call, even though they reached out to us and they got some information, right? That was automatically sent to them. So let me let you listen to this recording real quick, and then I'll comment. Here we go.
Hello.
Hey, this is Michael Pedone with SalesBuzz. How are you?
I'm good, Michael. Not good time. I'm in a meeting in 5 minutes.
Yeah, that's okay. I just need a second or so. I just wanted to find out if you.
Now, okay, first of all, no, I wasn't calling Russia. Guy's name he's obviously has a Russian accent. But with that being said, I just know I'm going to get that in the comments, right? So let me just get that out of the way. With that being said, notice what happened right then and there. Even though he says, oh, no, right now is not a good time. Got a meeting in 5 minutes, whether he does or doesn't, either way. Notice I didn't just go, okay, well, how about I call you later today, or when's a better time, or what have you. What I ended up doing was like, that's okay, no worries. I just need a second to ask you if, and then I go right on into an engagement question. We ended up having about a 3 to 5 minute sales conversation after that, got some more data, and was able to move the sale to the next step. This is how you're supposed to handle those situations. Just listen to the recording again. Listen how I handled it. Notice that it sounds very natural, right? It's not scripted, even though it's a play in my playbook. When they say this, I'm going to go to this play here. Hope this helps. We'll see you next time.